All right, do you feel like people are throwing up gang signs at you on the trail sometimes? Well, that has to do with trail etiquette. And contrary to popular belief, side-by-sides should be all about trail etiquette. So whether you're in a side-by-side or a Jeep or a motorcycle, dirt bike, it doesn't matter. Trail etiquette is huge. In Colorado, we have an awesome company called Stay the Trail, so if you need any information, you can definitely check their website out. They've got everything from trail etiquette by vehicle to help you with signs, and even some like kids activity books, so pretty cool company. But let's talk a little bit about what I mean by trail etiquette. So you see signs on the trail, and trails are designed to handle certain types of vehicles. Some might be hiking trails, some might allow horseback riding, some might OHV or off-highway vehicle trails, and then the stipulations on width as well. So sometimes we'll do single track trails, obviously those are for dirt bikes, 50-inch trails for the skinnier side-by-sides, and then full-blown OHV trails. So us big boys that are 80 inches wide, we can cruise on those. So paying attention to trail signs is huge to make sure that you're not in an area that you're not supposed to be, or it is not designed to handle whatever it is you're riding. Obviously picking up trash, like I see too many people out there just dumping their trash on the trails. I pick up so much trash every time I go ride. And then obviously if you pack it in, pack it out. I'm a Boy Scout, so you know, leaving the area nicer than what you found it is kind of embedded in me. But if everybody had that approach, our trail systems, no matter where you ride, would be improved. And then the hand signals. So like those gang signs I was talking to you about, they actually mean something. So if you're in a group of vehicles and you're cruising by and somebody gives you a 5, well, they're not saying hi. If somebody throws up a 2, they're not saying peace. What they're doing is telling you how many vehicles are behind them. So actually it should consecutively count down. If it's 5 or more, you're gonna get a 5, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the last guy is gonna give you a fist. No, it's not black power. No, it's not solid. It just means he's the last guy in the line. So you know that you don't have to worry about anybody else coming around that corner, but it's completely for safety reasons. You can see why knowing how many machines are following that person, if you're going opposite ways on a trail, could enhance the safety of it. Other than that, you know, there's also some things that Stay the Trail does pretty good about. One of the things they highlight is don't ever go out alone. I know we're all guilty of it. Oh, it's an easy trail, I'll be fine. I've got the equipment, I've got the experience. But really going with somebody else, at least one other person, is always recommended. I've seen too many sad stories about guys that are super experienced and something goes wrong, and even up to the point of like loss of life. So let's avoid those situations. Let's keep alive. Let's keep having fun. But click the link below, subscribe to our newsletter, stay up to date with all things side-by-side, and check out Stay the Trail if you're in Colorado.